If you're planning a trip to Bangkok or just looking for some inspiration on what to do in this vibrant city, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the 10 best things to do in and around Bangkok. From stunning temples to bustling markets, we've got something for everyone. So let's dive right in. At number 10, we have the Grand Palace. This iconic landmark is a must-visit for anyone coming to Bangkok. Built in 1782, it has been the official residence of the kings of Siam. The intricate architecture and detailed artwork are absolutely breathtaking. The Grand Palace is not just one building, but a complex of beautifully ornate structures. Among them is Wat Arun, or the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, which houses a revered statue of Buddha carved from a single block of jade. Make sure to dress appropriately when you visit, as there is a strict dress code. Men should wear long pants and shirts with sleeves, while women should avoid see-through clothes and cover their shoulders and knees. It's best to visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds and the midday heat. Entry fees are around 500 baht, but it's worth every penny for the experience. Coming in at number 9 is Chatuchak Weekend Market, one of the largest markets in the world. With over 15,000 stalls, you can find everything from clothes and accessories to home decor and street food. This market is a paradise for shopaholics and foodies alike. You can spend hours wandering through its maze-like alleys, discovering unique items and tasting delicious snacks. Bargaining is expected here, so don't be shy to haggle for the best prices. Make sure to try some of the delicious street food while you're there. The market is open on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and it's best to go early to beat the crowds and the heat. At number 8, we have a boat ride on the Chao Phraya River. This river is the lifeblood of Bangkok and offers a unique perspective of the city. You can see historic temples, modern skyscrapers, and local life all from the water. There are many boat tours available, ranging from quick rides to dinner cruises. It's a relaxing way to see the city and a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of the streets. You can also use the Chao Phraya Express boat as a convenient and affordable way to get around. Make sure to bring your camera for some amazing photo opportunities. The views of Bangkok from the river, especially during sunset, are truly spectacular. Number 7 on our list is Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. This beautiful temple is located on the west bank of the Chao Phraya River and is one of Bangkok's most famous landmarks. Its distinctive spires are decorated with colorful porcelain and seashells. The temple's central prang or tower is over 70 meters tall and offers stunning views of the river and the city. The best time to visit Wat Arun is during sunrise or sunset when the light makes the temple glow. Entry fees are around 100 baht. Don't forget to explore the nearby area, as there are many other interesting sights to see, including the nearby Wat Pho, home to the famous reclining Buddha. For those looking to experience Bangkok's nightlife, Khao Road is the place to be. Ranked at number 6, this famous street is a hub for backpackers and offers a lively atmosphere with bars, clubs, and street performers. Khao Road transforms into a vibrant party street at night, with loud music, colorful lights, and a diverse crowd. It's a great place to meet fellow travelers and enjoy cheap drinks and delicious street food. Just be mindful of your belongings and stay safe. Khao Road is also a good place to book tours and onward travel tickets. If you're looking for a slightly more laid-back vibe, head to the nearby Rambutri Alley. At number 5, we have Lumpini Park, an oasis of green in the heart of Bangkok. This large park offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle, with plenty of space for picnics, jogging, or just relaxing by the lake. Lumpini Park is perfect for a morning run or an afternoon picnic. You can rent paddle boats, join a Tai Chi class, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll. The park is open daily from 4:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Early morning and late afternoon are the best times to visit to avoid the heat. Keep an eye out for the park's resident monitor lizards, which can often be seen near the water. Coming in at number 4 is Iconium Mall, one of Bangkok's newest and most luxurious shopping destinations. This massive mall offers a mix of high-end brands, local designers, and a fantastic food court, with a wide variety of Thai and international cuisine. Iconium also features an indoor floating market, where you can sample traditional Thai dishes. The mall's design is a blend of modern architecture and traditional Thai elements, making it a visually stunning place to visit. Iconium is located along the Chao Phraya River, and you can get there by boat or taxi. It's a must-visit for any shopping enthusiast. Don't miss the multimedia water and light show at the River Park, which takes place in the evening. Number 3 on our list is a day trip to Ayutthaya Historical Park. Located about 80 kilometers north of Bangkok, This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once the capital of the Kingdom of Siam and is home to many ancient ruins and temples. Ayutthaya is a fascinating place to explore and learn about Thailand's history. The park is filled with impressive temples, palaces, and statues, each with its own unique story. You can take a train, bus, or private tour from Bangkok. Make sure to bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a lot of walking. Renting a bicycle is a popular way to explore the park. At number 2, we have the experience of taking a Thai cooking class. Learning to cook Thai food is a fun and delicious way to immerse yourself in the local culture. There are many cooking schools in Bangkok that offer classes for all skill levels. You'll get to visit a local market to buy fresh ingredients, then head back to the kitchen to learn how to make classic Thai dishes like pad Thai, tom yum goong, and green curry. It's a great activity for solo travelers, couples, and families alike. Not only do you get to enjoy a delicious meal at the end, but you also get to take home new skills and recipes to impress your friends and family. And finally, at number 1, we have the floating markets. These unique markets are a quintessential Thai experience, where vendors sell their goods from boats. The most famous floating market near Bangkok is Dam Noan Saduak, but there are several others worth visiting, like Amphawa and Tailing Chan. Floating markets are a great place to buy fresh produce, souvenirs, and even have a meal cooked right on the boat. The atmosphere is lively and colorful, making it a great spot for photography. The best time to visit is early in the morning to avoid the heat and crowds. It's an unforgettable experience and a perfect way to end our list of the top 10 things to do in and around Bangkok. So there you have it, the 10 best things to do in and around Bangkok. From stunning temples and bustling markets to relaxing parks and exciting nightlife, Bangkok truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Let us know in the comments which activity you're most excited to try, or if there's anything we missed that you think should be on the list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing destinations. Safe travels! Don't forget to check out our other videos and hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration. See you next time!